This is a Huawei 200 kilowatt-hour capacity battery energy storage system. We have installed Estonia first ones this type of battery containers. It's very unique and special in view of point it's safe. It contains built-in fire extinguishing system. It have two insulation points. In case something is wrong with the battery, it can disconnect the whole battery string inside the cabinet. It have built-in fire extinguishing system with 3 independent triggering branches. It needs a very minor maintenance. For example, it don't require regular modules capacity adjustments maintenance on site. It does it itself. One unique feature what this battery system have is that it can continue operation even when one battery module is faulty, for example. These containers give opportunity to save money of electricity. It's for sure in future electricity price is going to fluctuate in more wider range, and therefore you save money because you have a capacity to store energy. Huawei have very strong local support in Estonia thanks to Photomate. We can be quite sure it's one of the top sell product in future.